I have a Hisense stand-up freezer. I think it's I'm 6 feet tall. This is taller than me. This is the 7 foot. And it stopped freezing. I'm going to show you what was the problem. All right, I already removed everything. What you're going to want to do is pop out the two plastic covers. One here, one here. It's a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to undo them. And there's one down here. You're going to pop the cover, undo this screw, and this whole thing pops out. And then you take your hair dryer, and you're going to melt all the ice out. I'll show you in the next video. I got a hair dryer, and I'm defrosting